You guys just arrived at Greenfield Village with the kids. Where you at, Elena? Elena, are you excited about this? So stay tuned, you guys. We're about to check out this awesome place. This whole place right here. Oh wait, no, actually that was a different time, but we're gonna be over there in that place. All right, so stay tuned, you guys. You guys, it's completely dead here. There's like nobody here. So it's perfect for my Heelys. So take a little more fun. Barely anybody comes to this place. The parking lot was empty. If you guys are from out of town and you're looking for a cool place, you guys should come here. What? Look at this tree, you guys. Look at this awesome tree. We're about to enter. It's the grand entrance. Ooh, it's so awesome in here. Look back. How do you guys like it here? Are you sure? How about you, Elena? Okay. Look at that car. Isn't that awesome? It's a Model T Ford Explode View. The multi-spindle drill press, about 1900. Elena, pay attention. Pay attention to this multi-spindle. What is it? Multi-spindle drill press? Right there. Pay attention to it. What do you think about it? You want me to tell you about it? Simultaneously drilling several holes in the iron or steel requires extraordinarily strong machinery. This 8-spindle drill press was the kind used to drill mounting holes in water pumps and similar automotive parts. Henry Ford insisted upon extreme accuracy in his machines because only precise duplication of parts allowed fast, uninterrupted assembly. Ooh. Wait, is that for this little guy right here? Yeah, it's right in the picture. But I want to see this big, huge thing right there. This is all for mass production at Highland Park. Chloe, you enjoying it here?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Kids look a little bit more happy. Cylindrical grinder. Look at that beast. Look at that beast. Elena, pay attention. You look at the grinder. It looks like a what? You like it? It's pretty cool. And what are you telling them? With that one right there? Oh yeah. Oh gosh, look at all this cool stuff right here. We got the sewing machines. Chloe, she's taking a video too. Apparently you like the sewing machines. You like them?
Yeah.
Elena, you like them?
Yeah.
Awesome. Pretty cool stuff. Whoa, fans up there? And then look at all this cool stuff over here. Let's see, we're not even that deep in it, and there's all this cool stuff already. Ooh, we're coming up to some machines right here. Machines to produce new goods. Look at it. More machines. Side lever glass press from like 1870. Which one is that? That's that press right there. Where's the side lever on it? Oh, it's that thing over there. Pretty cool. Where'd they go? Where'd my kids go? We got part of the Fabric Factory's exhibit. Look at this thing. What is this thing? Throstle machine? What's that? Oh, you want your Heelys on?
No.
If you need help with anything, you let me know. Yeah, we brought our Heelys. We got the gear cutter. Wait, what did that just say? 1850. More machines. More machines. Chloe, you looking at these machines? Oh, this is where they make the shoes. Wow. I'm back outside. It's Chloe. Chloe? You out there? Henry Ford liked some violins, and these were his violins. Cool. got some tables. We got some other furniture here. And, oh, some more furniture. What is that, you guys? Is that a TV or something? What is it? Look at that thing. It is so old looking. This is everything. So you guys can see. You could strike a pose to see who it was like. See? Oh, nice. It's been temporarily removed. What was in there? These big things. I have to check out this whole area. And that area. And this area. And all these big things. So you see this big wheel? Look really close. It's just steel plates welded together. Giant wheel. It's the oil or something. You guys, this is like the first time I've seen this thing on. This thing is running. This thing is awesome. Come on. I'm gonna stick my hand up and right up in that. No, I'm just, no way ever. That's why they got this huge safety thing. Elena, that thing is awesome, powerful. That's the power station, you guys. Look at that. Look at that beast. It's so beautiful. It's doing all that big beastie moving and stuff. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that, Elena. Look at that. Is this where this thing was? There's so much to read. We gotta know about it all. Model of 1882 Pearl Street Power Station. Okay, that must be the model. Steam engine and electric generators, 1891. Is that what this is? Is that it? Gonna have to go around it more and look. But that thing is cool. What do we got up in here?
Imagine if I dropped my phone in here. That'd be so scary.
Oh, somebody would have to jump down there and go get it.
Yeah, that's scary. Oh, wait.
Somebody would have to look.
Down there.
Somebody would have to look for, make sure nobody was looking. Watch the cameras too, wherever they are, and then jump down there at the same time. And they better not fire it up like that other thing over there, cause there's some spinny things over there. It would be crazy. This is a marine steam engine from 1875. Oh, it's so awesome. It's a beautiful piece of machinery. Ooh, it shined a little bit. The light glaring on it. What are you looking at? You looking at something?
No.
What? Are you bored over on this side? Huh? Be honest, are you bored? Alright, you are? They need to put new stuff. We come here too often. Alright. Yeah, right. Steam engine. And over here. What is this? Light bulbs. Oh, this is new. Oh, that's so cool. Whoa. Okay, let's see what this is. Did you guys ever see this part? Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Spirit of St. Louis. Look at all that. Look at, Elena, are you happier looking at this stuff? It's cool. Look back, look at the ceiling. Look at this part.
Hey, can we go over to where I want to go next?
Excuse me, ma'am? Ma'am? Sir? Ma'am? Oh, look at that perspective painting. That's a flat wall. That is so cool. What?
You can fly with them before they go.
what do you got in there, buddy? What do you... Yo, did this guy just say something? They got all these new people up in here. Hi guys, how you doing? The flying schoolgirl. Look at that. Oh, cool. What's going on with this? The race is on. Who will be the first? What? Fireside chat. Oh, it's for that. Interesting. Admiral Bird's Bundle Up Shack. You better call security. Somebody drop some money and we're gonna leave it for somebody to have a lucky day. You guys, this looks real, but this, as you put your hand over here, is not real. This is a screen on there. Entrepreneurs. We've got William Boeing, Donald Douglas, and Henry Ford. Ooh, we're upstairs, by the way, looking around. And they're leaving me. They're leaving me. How cool is that? A plane engine right in your face. Oh, cool. Look at that big thing. Hanging up here. Got some propellers over there. You see that propellers? And my kids are leaving me again. They want to see another part. Look at all these little parts. See all these little parts? You take off one panel in your car, that's how many parts there is. That's why it's so hard. It's just showing you. No, but look at those. If anybody's taken one of these off before. There's a lot of those hidden clips and stuff. This is the inside of a motel. Every kid knows, every vacation in the 90s. If you weren't out camping or something like that, or at some kind of a lodge, you were probably using one of these somewhere. Well, you guys, it's a motel. And it looks the same as some of them around town. I don't really feel like this was here before. This is so cool. Yeah, for sure. We're looking at this. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. It's cool, you guys. This boxy Plymouth Voyager. Little minivan. Is that one of the first minivans? It's a beaut. Look at that thing. Here's some car seats. But look at this one. This is like a baby electric chair. I don't know what's going on with this one. And then this is where we're at almost now. Baby electric chair to now. I guess they were happy in baby electric chair though. Look at that happy kid. You guys, I'm disappointed. We all wanted to go to the diner over there, but it's closed now. See the windows? And that's where you exit, but it's closed, man. We gotta go find food somewhere else. McDonald's hamburgers. No, open up, you guys. I'm hungry. I know you guys were waiting for the presidential cars. Here they are. Ooh, look at that. You want to see this elegant carriage for the rich, famous, and powerful? Right here. It's a beaut. Look at the sides of it. Look at the material of that carriage. That's so nice looking. That is a nicey. Look at this train. It's all shiny, polished up. It's a beast. Look at all the way down. Look at that beast train. Looks like a circus car or something. What's in there? Whoa. They got a stove in there for keeping her warm. Or him. So deep in there. Can you guys see in there? We're up in the train section. And you gotta plow snow with your train. That's so bad. Awesomeness. All the way up in here. What's wrong? Chloe, what's wrong? It's hot in here. So just to let you guys know, dress appropriately. It's hot. Look what's going on underneath this train. I got up inside the train. Is that big heavy stuff up there? That's cool. Looking like they did some repainting over here, but if you look closely, they forgot a little bit. They forgot to splash some new black on that part. I'm coming. What do you want me to look at? What's that? Oh. What's going on? We got the wealthy passengers on this one.
They're really rich.
It's an old Louis Vuitton. Here we got your school bus. Yes, little bluebird school bus. All your classmates going into it. Awesome. Oh, that's so cool. We got the RV ready for camping. Look at that. Dang, look how dead it is. There's like nobody here, but it's awesome. Nah, there's people out there. Look at they enjoy it. Look at that. Look at that. This carriage right here, what's it look like to you? Tell me.
Okay, so Roblox.
Oh, very nice. Is it a good carriage? The Roblox carriage. Oh, very nice. Whoa, where'd Chloe's way down there. We gotta go. She is way down there doing something. We gotta go find her. I'm gonna try to get up there real quick. Give you guys a tour. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. That is cool. The Bugatti. This is Legoland. It is super awesome. And this is... Whoa. I'm just noticing. Oh my goodness. That is awesome. That's the city. Oh wow. That is designed and built by the Michigan Lego Users Group. And this thing is huge, you guys. It goes all the way down there. All Legos. And they even got a little Lego Grinch. I just love all this. Look at the trees. So much to look at. This is just like riding around in a potato. That is so cool. some train this. That's cool. It's a police car. Yeah, that's cool.
Can we sit in this one?
Yeah, this is. Let's go over here and look. Oh, is it on this one? John F. Kennedy sat in here. Probably right back there. Cool. You guys, look at it. It's like almost time to go. It's completely dead here. We've came a long way, you guys. This is a first generation self-driving vehicle. Okay, look at all that. You don't see vehicles with big cameras and things sticking out of them now. Okay, we're a little bit further along, but it's pretty cool. Oh, look at that. What was the part where you go inside the airplanes? Did they take it out? Look at over there. Oh yeah, look at that plane. That plane is awesome. It's flying right over us. Ah. So did you guys have fun? You had fun here, Elena, right? Don't force the fun out of you. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I bet it was. See that? We got some touch. Oh. Oh, this is so cool. Wow. Yeah, just what are these, like ideas, and you read about them. It's a lot to read for a video, but I'm gonna put this on and check it out. You guys, it's time to go. Elena, are you ready to go?
Yeah.
Oh, what? Not that. Are you really? Oh, I'm missing you. Your legs hurt. We saw a lot. We saw a lot. It was a lot of fun. You guys, Chloe, was it fun?
Yeah, it was very fun.
Awesome. All right. So you guys. Oh, I want to do these things. I want to do these things real quick, guys. You guys, we've been here quite a few times, but we were stuck on this other side, and some of the other stuff, we're gonna have to come back and see it, but we're not that far away, and I like doing stuff like this a lot. So if you subscribe, dude, we're gonna come back. I guarantee we're gonna come back. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Oscar Mayer Winnie Mobile. Look at that thing. Whoa. That's pretty cool. What's that? Yeah, it's closing. Guys, look at this tractor. I love tractors. Look at that. Look at that tractor. Gonna wave a Fordson tractor 1926. And they're trying to leave on me. It's part of the gift shop. Part of the gift shop. We're gonna find something to buy here. Find something cool for the kids. Let's see if we can get them something. Oh, cool. Okay, you guys, we're at the jewelry stand. They got these mood rings and stuff. I think Elena got a mood ring, and what you got? Some other little crystal. Pretty cool stuff. You guys see this? And that's where you get your change back. And you put your money in. And that's how you make calls. Right there. And you pay for them. We got this mile-long walk down this hall. Look how long it is. If I kept zooming. That's a chandelier. Are you kidding me? Thing's beautiful. You guys, look at this detail up in this place. Every corner. Okay, you guys, we're leaving. We are leaving. We're back out here.
Some fresh air.
Oh, it's beautiful. It's a village over there. And then that is. Just go to the village real quick and sneak in. It's a perfect night out here at the village. Wow. It's so beautiful out. I want to go up in there. We're just. Ah! What's going on? You guys, appreciate you guys for watching. We're at the vehicle right now. It's over there, but it's a beautiful night out, and did you guys enjoy it?
Yeah.
Let us know if you guys enjoyed it for real. I know sometimes they look bored in there, but because I'm trying to like read them some information that's not always like, oh, I want to take in information about stuff I really don't want to know right now. But do you have fun in there?
Yeah.
Yeah, so quite a bit of fun in there, so highly recommend it. You recommend it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Awesome day, you guys. So, you know what? It's kind of a little disappointed about that food that wasn't open earlier, but we got some stuff. It was what?
I was not hungry anyway.
Oh, yeah, so it was okay, but we ended up getting a few things from the gift shop, and it's nice and cool out here. We were gonna go do something else, enjoy the rest of the night. Might even pass this out for a second wherever we go, but I'll see you guys later. Oh, you know, maybe even some movie that just came out. Maybe even a movie tonight, but see you guys later. Please, you guys, like and subscribe.